to the future of sex.
Welcome to our channel where we explore the future of sex, technology, and AI-powered relationships. If you've ever wondered how couples can enhance their connection with cutting-edge tools without involving a third party, you're in the right place.
I'm Christopher.
And I'm Lorraine. We've been married for 23 years, and now we're on a journey to see how AI can help couples explore their fantasies, deepen their bond, and create entirely new experiences together.
This channel is all about using AI, stable diffusion, and other emerging tech to create hyper-realistic, immersive experiences for couples.
For example, we take photos of us together. He photoshops it to make it look like two of me. Then we use AI to modify one of me, creating an alternate version where we explore different relationship dynamics.
The best part? The third person in our photos isn't real. It's an AI creation designed by us for us.
Today, we're going to show you an outline of how we create one of these AI-enhanced photos.
We're starting with an image of us, but the third person, she doesn't exist yet. Let's create her together.
So where is all of this heading? AI isn't just about editing photos, it's about creating immersive, interactive experiences. We're talking full VR simulations, AI-driven conversations, and even lifelike holograms.
We've created our AI-generated fantasy photo. Next, we'll animate it and bring it to life. You won't believe how realistic this gets.
And we'll show you how you can do it too. We will show you how to get the tools needed to make this a reality in your relationship. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.